what's in the box. I got this package in the mail. It's a giant dehumidifier. Definitely need this because I'm having tons of water issues because I'm living under like a basement, and my bathroom gets very damp, and so damp that there's water just all over the floor all the time. So I got this baby to take care of the problem. And I want to thank this company for sending me this to review and help out with the problem. So let's check it out and open it up. All right. Let's check out what's in the box. Of course, the manual. The cord. This thing is quite giant. Very cool. Adjustable speeds, clothes drying, touch control. Clothes drying is interesting. So you like your towels don't get all damp and musty and whatnot. Adjustable fan speed. You can even hook a hose to it, it looks like, so you don't have to empty it manually. You can, you know, hook it to a drain so it automatically empties. Very nice. Thanks again to this company for sending me this. This was in dire need. So they had this in a white and a green. So I thought I'd get fancy and get the green color. Very cool. Check out the top, the indicators, mode, timer, humidity, close, different indicators and settings on this. Very nice, very nice. I hear this thing is super quiet, so I'm gonna test it out throughout the week and see how it works in my bathroom. I noticed this does have a lifetime warranty. There's all your QRL codes. You can scan it to go to their website, their social media. So down below here, this tray pulls out. It's got the hookup for the hose, where you can automatically drain it into, like if you had a hole in your floor in the basement, you could throw it in your sink and it'll automatically drain out, which is cool. See, there's a indicator how high your water is getting, so you can lift it and drain it out. It has a handle, so it is portable, so you can move it around and whatnot. So the bathroom gets quite, you know, watery. Unfortunately, the toilet condensates. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like condensates so much and it drips water all over the floor, and it just gets to be a swampy mess. That's why my bathroom's so nasty. When I take a shower, so much water on the floor. It's just nuts. So hopefully this will do the trick. So just a quick update. Since I got the dehumidifier, the bathroom is dry. When I get out of the shower, the walls are kind of like sticky and damp. Yeah, nice and dry. No more wet floors. It keeps up with the back of the toilet seat that sweats all the time. But yeah, other than that, awesome. Another thing I forgot to mention, as in behind this thing, it has a built-in filter. So it filters the air as well as dehumidifies and takes the moisture out of everything. And yeah, this is pretty cool. Don't forget to check this company out. And if you need a dehumidifier, I suggest grabbing this one. And get this green one. Forget the boring white. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.